Ever notice how your phone finishes your sentences? Or how your email knows what you want to say next? Even that cool design you just made in Canva? That's not magic. That's AI. And it's already a part of your daily life. It's the invisible assistant making everything smoother, faster, and smarter. Let me show you how. Welcome back to Gigi Talks Tech. Today we're looking at 5 simple AI tools that help busy adults save time every week with daily tasks like planning, writing, and organizing life. These are tools that make technology feel helpful, not overwhelming. Tool number 1, Google Lens. Google Lens is an amazing tool with many uses, and it's free in your App Store or Play Store. It instantly identifies objects, products, plants, even ingredients, and provides useful answers. Here are 5 uses for Google Lens. Identify objects, plants, and animals. Translate text instantly. Copy and paste text from the real world. Shop from photos. Discover landmarks and artwork. Download Google Lens from your App Store or Play Store. Locate Google Lens on your phone. Once you have it, focus the camera on the object. Immediately, you get results. Tool number 2, Canva Magic Studio. Magic Studio makes everyday tasks simpler, like creating flyers, birthday cards, and social posts in minutes. It suggests layouts, writes headlines, and removes backgrounds automatically. Let's explore how Canva Magic Studio can transform any image in seconds with background removal and replacement. Let's click on Create Custom Size, and I will select 5 by 7. Now let's go to Elements and find an image. Let's search for a basketball player. Go to Photos and scroll down to find a basketball player for our design. Let's choose this one. With just one click, Canva Background Remover will remove the background and completely isolate the image. Now click on the canvas and let's replace that background. Go to Background and then Magic Background and let Canva create a background for you based on the content from the page. You will get 4 images to choose from. If you don't like any of those, you can always generate again. That's pretty cool. You can also click on the image and edit the image to apply an effect. Let's click on Shadows and Glow and create a white glow around the image. Now we have a completely transformed image, ready for printing or any other project. Tool number 3, Notebook LM. Notebook LM helps you understand information faster. You can upload instructions, notes, bills, and it summarizes everything clearly. Perfect for planning events, managing personal paperwork, or keeping church and family info organized. Notebook LM has a free version that you can try. Go to notebooklm.google. Create a new notebook by selecting Create New. You can upload a variety of source files like PDF, text, audio, video, links, etc. I am uploading a policy manual in PDF format. After uploading, type in how you want to modify the source. In my case, I'm going to ask Notebook LM to summarize the document in bullet point format. Within just a few minutes, you have a fully summarized document. You can also create flashcards, quizzes, reports, etc. Also, and this is really cool, an audio overview, which is actually a mini podcast between 2 speakers. Notebook LM an extremely helpful AI tool that you need to try now. Tool number 4, AI Grocery List app. For example, AnyList. Instead of rewriting the same grocery notes all week, AI can track what you run out of and build your list automatically. These apps also suggest meals and compare store prices, saving you time and money. Tool number 5, voice-to-text assistants. Anytime a thought pops into your head, speak it. The AI app converts your voice into written reminders, messages, or notes. It's one of the easiest ways to stay organized. On Android, reminders are stored under Google Tasks or Google Calendar. On iOS, you can view them through the Google Assistant app or the Google Calendar app if signed in.
Hey Google, set reminder to purchase my tickets for the ball on Saturday at 6 p.m.
I've set a reminder for you to purchase your tickets for the ball on Saturday, November 8th, 2025 at 6 p.m.
These are simple tools that help you feel confident and capable with everyday tasks. Technology is here to support you. If you found something helpful today, please subscribe and share this with someone who would benefit too. And in the next video, we'll explore one of these tools, Canva, and show how it helps you create beautiful things faster than ever.